The power of the Powerball drawing. The Powerball drawing is a highly anticipated event that captures the imagination of millions of individuals across the United States. Twice a week, participants have a chance to win life-altering sums of money. Players select 5 numbers from a pool of 69 white balls and an additional Powerball number from a separate pool of 26 red balls. Matching all 6 numbers correctly is the key to claiming the coveted jackpot. But even if all numbers aren't matched, players can still win various secondary prizes. The allure of the Powerball drawing lies in the staggering jackpots it produces. Past winners have walked away with hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars. These astronomical figures generate excitement and provide hope for a brighter future. While the odds of hitting the jackpot are slim, the stories of past winners serve as a reminder that dreams can come true. Powerball has transformed the lives of numerous individuals, allowing them to fulfill lifelong aspirations, support their families, and make a positive impact on their communities. It brings people together, ignites dreams, and offers a chance at a life beyond imagination.